Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about keywords everywhere YouTube. So now I talked about the fact that beyond Google search engine, keywords everywhere can be used on several other platforms. Keywords everywhere support several other platforms, and one of those platforms and one of those websites is YouTube. You can use keyword everywhere to search for keywords that you can use for your YouTube videos to rank and search for their data, their statistics, their search volume, their trends over the past 12 months, and do so much more. So let's get to check this in action. Okay, now we're going to go ahead here and search, go to youtube.com. So now while that is still loading, we're expecting that when we're on YouTube and we're searching for a particular information using a particular key phrase, a particular query, that we should have the statistics and data of that information, just like it has been happening on our Google search. So let's go ahead and search for something how to prepare brisket. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit the search button and see what we've got. Okay, so a couple of results are shown up here on how to prepare brisket, but I can't find any search volume or statistics here. Okay, so let's scroll down a bit and see if we've got anything. Anything? No, no, no. So we can't see any search volume and statistics. And do you know the reason why that is so? That is because I have disabled my keyword everywhere extension as part of my way of optimizing my credit usage, because I was using it for the Google search, not for YouTube. So I disable every other site on the settings page of keyword everywhere extension. Okay, so we're going to go ahead now and click the icon here, the keyword everywhere care icon here, and try to access the settings page so we could, um, activate or enable the YouTube as one of the sites that we want the keyword everywhere to support. Okay, so that's taking a bit of time. Okay, so it's here. So we click on settings and we wait for it to load. Okay, so we're going to stroll down to where we have supported website. So as you can see, only the Google search is activated here. Google Search Console is disabled. The toggle is turned off. Google Keyword Planner is off. Google Analytics off. Google Trends off, and YouTube off. So we're going to go ahead and click on YouTube to activate the toggle button to become on. So once we do that, we can now go back to YouTube and refresh this page where we're searching for how to prepare brisket. Okay, so now we're waiting for our results with search volumes and trends, and I'm not seeing any yet. Something is all right. Okay, so this is YouTube, and we had activated support for YouTube. Could it be VidIQ is overshadowing? So let's disable the panel for VidIQ, and let's go ahead and okay. I forgot this was disabled totally, because even here it is not showing. Okay, so what we're going to do in that case is to open a browser here. Okay, so we're going to go to YouTube here. So Keyword Everywhere on that particular browser was totally disabled. So even on Google, the search volume was not showing. So let's use the Chrome browser where we're using it by default. Okay, so while that is loading, let's click on the settings, and then we go to settings. So we're going to go to supported websites on the Keyword Everywhere extension settings. We scroll down, supported website. So okay, YouTube here is supported and Google search. Okay, so then we head back to Google, to YouTube rather, and search for short crash course. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit the enter button. So we're having a little bit delays here. Okay, so here we go. Our search volume here is showing 20 per month and the CPC is 0.29. So that's Keyword Everywhere showing you statistical data and search volume on YouTube. Okay, so Keyword Everywhere can work in YouTube. Then apart from that, it gives you more insight on the right hand, as you can see here, search insight. So this query, it shows the query, it shows you the search, but then it shows you top channels that have that at this point is undefined, then maximum views. So most of this does not really have data. So let's go ahead and search the former keyword we wanted to search, how to make briskets. Okay, so we go ahead and hit the enter button. So now um there's a search volume here, 6,600 search volume. Now it shows you the search volume, the query, then the top channel, Joshua Wisman. This one video, okay, that's the channel that has one of the, then it goes ahead and shows you the maximum views for that key phrase is 3.8 million. Then the average view, 2.44 million. Average age of the video, 2 years. Then keywords entitled 0%, 0 4, which is a good thing. So if you're making that kind of video and you have the keyword entitled, it's going to give you an age. Then you go ahead and shows you keywords in description 0 or 4, which is also another opportunity for you to utilize while making your own video on how to make brisket. Then it goes out to show about added in the last 7 days, 0, which means this content are old content. And if you're doing a new one, it's also going to be an advantage because it's going to be a fresh content. And then added in the last 6 weeks, 25%, which is 1. So there's one video that has been added in the last 6 weeks that has that particular content. Then total verified channels, 50%, 2 or 4. So this shows the detailed breakdown and also give you the most used stat that the people that have already created this video are using. So that's also a recipe, a secret recipe for you to use in your own video. Brisket recipe, Texas brisket and beef brisket. Okay, so guys, that's how wonderful Keyword Everywhere is beyond the Google search. You can also use it on YouTube. So that is Keyword Everywhere YouTube. That's Keyword Everywhere on YouTube. So I hope you understand how to use it and how to activate it on YouTube, or how to disable it should in case you disable it during the process of reducing or minimizing your or optimizing your credit usage. You can always go back to that supported website and activate YouTube back. So that'll be all for now, guys, in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I expect to see you in the next video. Bye for now.